Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best camera for photojournalism that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Panasonic Lumix GH5 camera for photojournalism. Panasonic Lumix GH5 is an ideal tool for professional photojournalists. It features a 20.3 megapixel sensor with a resolution of 20.3 megapixels and no low-pass filter, allowing you to create crisp images with a wide dynamic range and no artifacts. The rugged magnesium alloy body is protected from freezing to 10 degrees, as well as from splashes and dust, and every connection, dial and button is weatherproof. For steady shooting, the GH5 features 5-axis dual image stabilization, which corrects lens shake during both still and 4K video recording. It can also record silky smooth 4K 60p, 50p video, QFHD 4K, 3840 by 2160, MOV or MP4. In addition, it offers exclusive 6K stills and 4K post-focus capabilities, recording photos at up to 60 frames per second. Finally, the GH5 is equipped with convenient connectivity and ports for external devices and has two US2U3 compliant SD memory card slots. Our product tests have shown that with all these features, the Panasonic Lumix GH5 is the perfect choice for any professional photojournalist looking to capture stunning images. Moving on at number 4, we have the Canon EOS 5D Mark IV camera for journalists. Canon EOS 5D Mark IV is the perfect companion for photojournalism. Thanks to its 30.4 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, you can capture detailed images of aircraft in virtually any lighting condition, even in low light with an ISO range of 100:32,000. Additionally, 4K motion JPEG video lets you capture stunning motion videos at 4096 by 2160 DCI cinematic quality. Dual pixel CMOS AF provides smooth, fast autofocusing on moving subjects without blur. With burst speeds of up to 7.0 frames per second, you can quickly capture multiple shots and accurately capture the details of fast-moving aircraft. After experimenting with it, we learned that with Wi-Fi and the beta version of the EOS utility webcam software, Mac and Windows, you can even turn your Canon camera into a high-quality webcam to share your real-time observations online. At number 3, we have the Nikon D6 camera for photojournalism. Nikon D6 is a revolutionary camera designed specifically for professional photojournalists. With its stunning image quality, impressive fast shooting speeds, and incredible low-light performance, the D6 takes your creative possibilities to an unprecedented level. Its extremely rugged body and exceptional autofocus system ensure reliability and precision in all conditions, from the field to the studio. With burst shooting at 14 frames per second, you can capture every crucial moment with ease and confidence. The powerful EXPEE D6 image processor provides scene detection and exposure metering for consistently sharp images in all lighting conditions, while Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity ensures reliable connectivity. Capture stunning 4K UHD 2160p videos and 20.8 megapixel still images with extreme sharpness and clarity thanks to the extended resolution of the Nikon D6 optical sensor. Based on our observations, the Nikon D6 is the ideal camera for creating realistic images in any situation. At number 2, we have the Sony A73 video camera for journalists. Sony A73 features a state-of-the-art full-frame BSI image sensor with 24.2 megapixels, 1.8x readout speed and 15 stops of dynamic range. It supports 14-bit uncompressed RAW format, ISO from 50 to 204,800, and is compatible with Sony lenses with an E-mount mount. Thanks to 693 phase detectors and 425 contrast AF points covering 93% of the image, you get incredibly fast autofocusing. It also provides excellent stabilization. This camera delivers silent shooting 18 at up to 10 frames per second with AF/AE tracking too. The camera records 4K video and features a new HLG, hybrid log gamma, 4 image profile that supports instant HDR workflow. Battery life is up to 610 shots, viewfinder, or 710 shots, LCD monitor, for stills and up to 200 minutes, viewfinder, or 210 minutes, LCD monitor, for movies. The ISO range has been extended to ISO 151200, extendable to ISO 5020480007 for still photography, allowing you to capture stunning detail even in low light conditions. Our analysis of this product revealed that whether you're shooting interviews, documentaries, or any other type of video content, the Sony A73 is a great choice. And finally at number 1, we have the Fujifilm XT4 mirrorless camera for journalists. Fujifilm XT4 is the perfect camera for photojournalists who need a rugged, reliable tool to keep up with fast-paced action. With an incredibly accurate autofocus system, high-speed burst shooting at 15 frames per second and 5-axis image stabilization, IBIS, the XT4 is the perfect camera for capturing the big moments. IBIS ensures steady shots even on the move, and the mechanical shutter can withstand up to 300,000 shutter clicks. The 1.62 million pixel variable angle touchscreen LCD and 3.69 million pixel, 100 fps electronic viewfinder make it easy to find the best angle for your shot. The XT4 also features a movie mode that lets you shoot professional DCI 4K, 60p and Full HD 240p video with ultra slow motion, as well as F-Log video with 10-bit color directly to a memory card. You can also easily enhance the look of your images with Fujifilm's popular film simulation modes, including the new Eterna Bleach Bypass mode. Our findings show that with its impressive combination of features and rugged design, the XT4 is ideal for capturing every moment with precision and expressiveness. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.